Hello, my name is Wanda. Welcome to this video. In today's video, I will be testing out the new heat transfer paper for dark. I will also be walking you through step by step on how to do print then cut. So let's head over to Design Space and get started. Now that we're in Design Space, let's go over here to New Project. Then let's go over here to Blank Canvas. And now let's go over here to Upload. And now just choose the image that you want to upload. I will be choosing this one. But if you don't see the image that you want, just go up here to View All, and that'll give you a better selection. Just scroll down and look for the image. But for now, I will be choosing this one, so just add to canvas. And then just go here to where it says View and click on that. Now that you have the image, you can resize it to a bigger size or a smaller size just by pulling on the corner. And now this image is way too big, so I have a warning. So just click on that. And then just go over here where it says Resize Image and click on that. By doing that, it will resize it to a size that's permitted by Cricut. So now let's just go over here and click on Make. So now you'll get a box that's going to ask you if you want to save this as a project or not. I normally don't save it. So now just check the page size to make sure you have the correct size. And for this project, we don't need to mirror the image. So now let's just click on Make. And now Send to Printer. I have a couple of printers, so I will be choosing the correct one. And I will be keeping the bleed on, but you can always keep it on. And I will be using System Dialog and now Print. So once you get this box, go here where it says Media Quality and change it from Normal to Best. And then just go down to where it says Print and select Print. This pack comes with 15 pieces. It says that it can be used for dark and light fabric. I will also be using one of their heat transfer masks. This instruction sheet that you see here comes inside this packet. And it's very simple. It tells you how to do step by step. And it also mentions about washing and storage instructions. So before I print my image, I want to mention that this is compatible with the printer, regular printer with regular ink. And I will be using an EcoTank 2803. Let's get started. One cool thing is that they put their name on the back side of the paper, so that way we can tell which is the back and which is the front. Let's head over to the printer. So here's our image. It looks nice and bright. So now I will be placing it on the mat. Make sure to place your image the same way it appears on Design Space. So now let's go over to where it says Browse All Material and click on that. Go up here to the search bar and type in printable vinyl. Scroll down to where it says printable vinyl gray right here and click on that, and then done. So now go over to your Cricut and put the mat in, and your machine will start to read the registration marks, and then it'll start cutting.
All right, let's do the weeding. So I will be using this pen from TeckWrap. I really love using this pen. So let's just start from down here and work our way up.
So very carefully and very slowly start to weed your design. Make sure not to lose any small pieces. I would say that this design is a little bit challenging since it's got some small pieces that I needed to push down to make sure I did not lose them. But that was due to the design. Other than that, I had no issues whatsoever. I really enjoyed working with this product. I will say next time I will turn my bleed on.
All right. So the weeding was so smooth. Now, there's a couple of letters that are kind of wanting to fall off, but it's because this design was a little bit complex, so it's okay. Just as long as we didn't lose any letters, which we didn't. So now let's put the mask on so that we can transfer to the shirt. On here it says backing side. So that's the backing side. Now we'll just peel one of the corners and put it on the design. For pressing instructions, it says that our heat press should be set at 155 Celsius to 165 or 310 Fahrenheit to 330 for 15 to 20 seconds. So let's start our heat press and get that going. I will be pressing this design on a Jildan 100% cotton.
And now I will be pressing the shirt for a couple of seconds just to take the moisture out. Here's the design with the transfer mask on. I will be turning the mat over so I can remove this off the mat. And lastly, I will be removing this white paper off from the carrier sheet or the mask so I can iron the design on the shirt. So there's the design. This is how it looks like. It's all ready to be pressed. I'm all ready to press my shirt. I will be using a ruler. This will help align my shirt much better. Normally you want to count 3 fingers down from the neck when placing your design. Once my design is on there, I will start to press. I have my heat pressed to 310 Fahrenheit for 20 seconds and I will do a hot peel. As you can see, the design is on there and the hot peel worked perfectly. So now I will just press for a couple of seconds to make sure it's sealed on my shirt.
So this is how it turned out. I absolutely think this is awesome. It looks very beautiful. I will definitely be wearing this on the weekend and do a wash test. TeckWrap recommends wait 24 hours before wash. And after I'm done doing the wash test, I will let you know how it looks.
For the wash test, I will be following TeckWrap's instructions that say wait 24 hours before wash, wash inside out, in cold water, machine wash using mild detergent. And here's the shirt after the first wash. The colors still look amazing. There was no fade and the material is still intact. As you can see, it's stretchy as well. With that being said, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Bye bye.